Hello and welcome to this video on the Razertip SL1 Woodburning power supply. We're going to take a look at some functionality, what it's capable of, and see if it's the right fit for you. Let's take a look. All right, a few things to take note of. First of all, the SL1 is part of the SL series, which includes both the SL1 and the SL3. Both units come with the Razertip 3-year unconditional warranty and the excellent heat range from room temperature all the way up to 900 Celsius or 1650 Fahrenheit, depending on the tip you're using. But let's take a closer look and see how this thing works. Okay, we're going to take a quick look at the back first here. The power cord that's supplied with the machine plugs in there. When you power it up, you turn the switch on here. This is the on-off for the power. This is what will light the front. Once you've done that, it comes on this way. The white light pulsing shows that it's ready to go at your pen jack, this LED bezel here. This is your LED display showing your heat setting, the dial to adjust the heat setting. This is not a temperature setting, this is a heat setting from 01 to 99. It does not represent any specific temperature. When you're ready to go, you push this button here and the light will turn blue. Because there's no pen connected, it's blinking, which indicates that there's not a connection, it's not sending power. This helps indicate broken tips or connectivity issues as well. So when we plug a pen in, that will be solid blue. When you're done, you shut it off. We're going to hook up a pen now. Simply plug that in there, power it on. It's blue, solid blue. Setting of about 35 isn't going to do much with this particular tip. It's a little heavier. It's a very faint burn. So we're going to turn it up to about 40. And you'll see it's going to start leaving a darker burn. If we go all the way up to 45, it's going to be significantly darker. Increments are quite useful, even 42 from 40. So one nudge on the dial can actually make quite a big difference on these machines. But just for fun, let's take it up. If we go up to 50 or above, the fans on the back will kick in. And that's just moving air through the machine to cool it off internally. And we'll go up to 99 just to see. Most people don't need that much heat, but let's just see what fun we can have. Lots of heat. The fans will continue running past 50 until the internal temperature drops to a certain point. There's pen clips on either side of the machine. When you keep your pens this way, they're safe, they're kind of out of the way. If you keep your machine powered by mistake and leave it on and walk away, after 60 minutes, it will automatically shut off. So that's a safety feature. It's also, if you're using it and you haven't changed the heat setting for 60 minutes, it will also shut off. So it just goes back into this mode. You just power it back on and keep burning if you're on a groove. And there you have it, the basics of the SL1. Check out the SL3 video as well to see if that has any features that might be of interest. Share the video, subscribe if you can. See you around.